So, hello guys. In this video, let's talk about some projects you can make or you can add in your resume if you think it is better for you. So, this is my profile. Go on GitHub and click Y12 and you directly go to my GitHub profile and now check for blood bank app repoware and where I created a very full end-to-end project which is capable of giving you jobs in your interviews if you have these projects. Like I also deployed it on the cursor and this is the app how it looks like. Yeah, I am developing continuously, so all the features are not available at this point of time. Like here, if you click about us, you got nothing. This is my footer, so it is nothing. And like that, if you got about nothing. So there are many pages or features which will be added in the future, but at this point of time, these are not working. Just like this emergency help, it is working. It will give you the contacts of the ministry, and these are dummy contacts, so you can add your contact. Like notifications, we have nothing. Like FAQs, I have added some problems, some questions which are generally related to the blood bank, and then in the contact us, I added the contact. So There are some pages I made and some more pages I will make in the future because we have a midsems in my college, so I didn't have time for that for making this, and I will improve this after the 28th Feb when our midsems will be over. And those are those who don't know me, I will introduce myself as my name is Himanshu Yadav and I am doing BTech in third year. I'm now in third year in IIT Kanpur. So this is my short intro and let's take this app if you find it better. Add this project in your resume and try to practice as much as possible. This is the front, this is the register page, this is login page, and if you are a donor, click on donor and admin, hospital and organization and so on. So earlier this was my front page, but now I added one extra landing page and this is enhancing my project a lot and it was a good decision to add this page instead of login or register. So this is my first project. You can definitely check. You should definitely check this project and see what are stacks I used in this project. See Kubernetes. In the Kubernetes file, I have added Kubernetes how to make deployment of front end, back end, MongoDB. So Kubernetes is also completed, also added in the project. And then let's see how much services I added in the project. So first of all, I added Docker Compose, then I added Kubernetes, then I added front end, then backend. For enabling Docker, you have to write Docker files like C in the src folder. I have added Docker no, not in the src folder. The Docker files are always located in the root folder of the front end. So let's see, this is front end. In front end, I have Docker file. And Docker file is very simple for this project because it is a node project and I have nothing. Just like you run a app in your local system, same will be uh, same with the process in the Docker. Like first of all, you have to install Node in your Docker container, then make a working directory app, and inside app copy package.json, then install, and after installing package.json, then copy all the files and then expose the port of Docker 1000 and Docker port to 3000 because the the application, the front end of my project is running on the port 3000. After that, run cmd npm start, and this will start a container. This will start my front end on the 3000 port. And after that, let's go on backend. In the backend, I have folders like config folder. In the config folder, I have db.js, and this file is used for connecting MongoDB to my backend. Yeah, like Mongoose here, Mongoose is used for connect MongoDB for connecting MongoDB, and then colors. It is not required. Colored here is used for colorful terminal commands, and then Mongo URL, it is a URL which is used for connecting, and the main function in this is const make a function connectdb. The connectdb can be anything. It is a name of your choice. Then make it async because it is a database connection, and whenever we connect database, we always add a sync command. And then use try catch command. In type try catch command, write await mongoose.connect and then console.log, then catch and console of error. If we get error, then this will run and see what is the use of colors. So colors here is used for making terminals colorful. This is that's it. Like you can remove this console.log and only run mongo await mongoose dot connect mongo URL. This is also fine, but we always go with console.log because how we know that MongoDB is connected. So for that reason, we add always connected to MongoDB. This will tell us that our MongoDB is connected. And there see the controllers. In the controllers we have admin controllers. So these are the these are the logic of the code. This is the main logic of the backend code. And see what I have written. In the first I have written get donors list, then get hospital, then get original list, and then delete donor. So this function will be used for deleting a donor. This will used for getting an organization, and this will used for getting a hospital, and this will used for getting donors list. Okay, and then analytics. In the analytics section, we have only one function, and this is used for getting blood data. Like we have various organizations like organization, hospitals, and donors. And then these all will donate blood or take blood. So that's why I have made a analytics controller which will give a whole overview of how much blood is present in our blood bank. And then auth controller. In the auth controller, we have register controller, then login controller, then current user controller, and then inventory controller, then text controller. So it's a simple. And in the middleware, I have admin middleware, then auth middleware. Admin middleware will check whether you are an admin or not. So see, this is a very simple command. And then after that, we have auth middleware. This will check whether you have a valid token or not for logging you in inside the app. In models, we have various models like inventory model and the user model. In the user model, we have role, name, organization name, hospital name, email, password, but whatever you want to gather, whatever you want to take information of the user, you can add here. In the inventory model, what is our inventory? So our inventory is blood groups. So for that, this is a model. And then finally I made a routes. This is the route for admins, router.gate, and it is very simple. And then analytics route for analytics, then test route, and that's it. This is our backend. And trust me, it's a better backend. So now we have backend, front end, and the Kubernetes and the Docker Compose, and we have added Docker files for each front end and backend. See the Docker file. Docker file is very easy. First of all, install Node in your Docker container, then go to app, then copy the package.json. After that, run npm install. This will install the dependencies in your Docker container. After that, copy all the files, and then this is environmental variables, and this is not necessary because I have added these environmental variables in the Docker Compose. If you're not using Docker Compose, then it should be at that place. So that's it. Yeah, if you follow this repo, you will have a good project for your resume. And trust me, this project got me an internship, and definitely it will got you also. So go and check this repo and try to build it and try to practice it. Thank you.